Good morning. Actually it's afternoon. Cool. I just got done with ballet with my daughter and now she is at home taking her nap, and my husband works from home, so he was gone the last few days and it's so nice to have him home, so I have to run errands because I try to avoid everything with kids. So I have to go to the dollar store and I also have to go to Target to exchange a dress that doesn't fit my daughter. How cute though. It's like tulle and fluffy and ruffly and adorable. So we're gonna go exchange it for a smaller size. I have to go return stuff to Dollar Tree because I got way too much stuff for goodie bags for my daughter's birthday party, and I'm like, shoot, I still haven't done that, so I need to exchange those for, I'm thinking we'll get Easter basket stuff because while I'm there, I might as well. And I want to get a couple fun things for St. Patrick's Day just to be festive with the kids. So come help me do that. And then also I needed to get some essentials from Target. I'm trying to do like a non-spending like for me this week. So we're already off to a good start. Gotta go to Target, and now I'm like, great. So maybe we'll start our no spend day tomorrow. That sounds more ideal. So anyways, come with me. Let's go to Target. Let's go to the dollar store and let's see what we can get for Easter baskets. I try to get useful things for Easter baskets because it's like they have enough random crap they don't need. So maybe like a bathing suit, or I don't know, Isla already has so many bathing suits, but if I could find one for Baker, that'd be cool. Maybe like a sundress or something for Isla. I don't know. Let's go see. And of course a couple random crap because they're kids. Okay, we're at Target first. Let's go. Okay, I'm gonna get this for Isla and this one for Baker. This is so cute. She's been talking about Slinkies a lot. One for Baker. Oh my gosh, I have to find a pink one. Okay, they only have blue. This is so cute. And a shark for Baker. These are $3 each. Where do I get the dinosaur? Those are so cute too. They like light up and you just put them on your ankle. Cute. Those are $5. How cute is that? Oh my god, this little set is so cute. But no, I'm not doing it. And these shorts. Guys, this is so hard for me. Stay strong, Shayna. Stay strong. How cute is this claw clip though? This pack is so cute. Oh my god, wait, I need it. I'm weak, I'm doing it. And this tank top, oh my gosh. Don't follow me for saving money advice. I'm just not your girl. Okay, I really need to find shoes for Isla. She doesn't have any sandals and it's about to be sandal season. Okay, they have these in her size. Last week they did not. These are so cute. I can't tell if they're dirty though. They're gonna get dirty, it's fine. I'm gonna get these for Baker. They're cute. I'm gonna get her some spring jammies because she's obsessed with her fleece unicorn jammies, and like she's grown out of them and she's gonna freak out. Are they my first choice? No. Will she absolutely die over them? Yes. So we're doing it. They don't have the dress that I exchanged, so I think she's gonna like this one. Do I like it? Not really, but it has Minnie Mouse on it and it's not terrible. Oh wait, if I can find that, she would like that. Or this one. Okay, I think she'll like this one. That's cute, and I like it too. Put this one back. Girls are just so much more fun to shop for. I gotta find Baker something though to go in his Easter basket that's equivalent in jammies because he wears just shorts and t-shirts to bed, so I'm gonna get him this hat. He has a shirt that's similar and he's obsessed with it. These are so cute too. I already got them the Peep ones, but they'll use these like forever. How cute are these? They're like little squishy night lights. I would love this. There's a Minion one too, but I'm not gonna get them. Basket is so cute. And a gray one for Baker. I'm gonna just get these and use these every year. Isla chews her toothbrush. So she requested a unicorn one this time. Specifically, she said, will you get me a unicorn one? So we love a girl who knows what she wants. I hate the toothpaste I've been using. I buy it because Colby likes it, and I'm just like, I'm over it. I'm buying the toothpaste I want. And now I gotta get out of here. This place is a trap. Okay, $140 later, but we did it. Granted, I used a gift card too, so there's that. But now we gotta go to the dollar store. I'm gonna be super quick there though because it's windy out there. Because my husband wants to go to the gym, and we have one car, fun fact, so I gotta get home so he can go to the gym. And now that I just bought everything for their Easter baskets, I actually don't need anything there. I might look for plastic eggs for Easter egg hunts though. I feel good about all that money spent though because it's stuff that they're gonna use for like the entire season versus like getting them crap that ends up on the floor that I have to pick up. So damn it, I forgot tampons at Target. Ah, it's always the one thing you need that you forget. Just kidding. I'm going home. This is taking too long and I feel like my husband never himself, so I'm gonna rush home so at least he can go to the gym and not have to miss his workout because I'm taking too long at the dollar store. So part 2 I will do, let's go to the dollar store. You know how it is. Sometimes we just do what we can in the time we have.